so excited. Sorry. There. I know you see this, right? You see this first ass contour? Oh yeah, baby. That's what we're doing today. I've been asked a lot to show you guys how I contour. So that is the purpose of this video, and by the end, you are gonna be able to have this fierce ass contour, honey. So please keep watching if you want to figure out how to contour for your round face. So to get started, we're gonna be taking Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. You can use whatever you want, whatever type of concealer you want to contour and highlight. I know they have not makeup kits, contour kits. I'm not a fan of contour kits, the cream-based ones, because I'm not a fan of cream-based anything. So there's that. I really like the liquid ones because it's easier to handle. We're gonna be taking the Born This Way Too Faced, of course, Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. And to start, we're gonna go right here. And this next part, if you don't wanna contour your nose, skip this step. If you do, then put the concealer right down the middle of your nose. Now, to blend. So, I use multiple things. You can use multiple things. You can use a brush. I think this angled brush that I got at my makeup certification, because your girl is a certified makeup artist. Yo. So, okay, but yeah. I use this angled brush because it helps me to get into this corner really easily. If you have a blending sponge, I don't know if that's really what it's called, but one of them little sponge things, you can use that. It's whatever makes it easier for you to use. So to get started, I go right in the corner. Okay, now for my nails. So as I said, if you are not actually going to contour your nose, you don't have to do this part. I got a big nose. I like contouring my nose. So I have this cute little blending brush that I use only for my nose. And I go and I blend it right up. All right, and then now I take the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Toffee. So, you go up at the top, come down, around you get to your cheeks, like that. Okay, so now to blend this out, I take like a flat, it's like flat, fluffy kind of like brush. And it makes it easier to like blend it so you're not like, because we're not swiping, we're patting, or dabbing it to blend. So I start up here and I just like dab it. And I dab it into my hairline to make sure. And so now I'm gonna do my nose. Oh man, I forgot the brush for my nose. Okay, so I'll put this off right. So I take a little bit and I go right there. So now I take, it's like a really baby version of what we use to blend out the concealer. It's like a little mini angled brush. And I feel like this helps me to like really sculpt how I want my nose to look. So, disclaimer. Let me say it again. Disclaimer. Please be very careful when you're contouring your nose, because you can completely fuck up your nose when it's not fucked up. I've seen people who made their nose crooked when they ain't got a crooked nose in the first place. So be very careful. That's why I use a little bit and not a lot. Just be really careful when you're doing this, because we don't want you to be walking around here looking crazy with a crazy looking nose when you don't look crazy. So you just gotta be careful. This little corner, and I start and I go down. And so for one of the final steps, we are going to set the concealer, the lighter. Well, we're actually setting both of them, so never mind. We're setting the concealer. So for the where we put warm sand, this is not my favorite setting powder. My favorite setting powder. So my second favorite is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium Deep. And so the brush that we use to blend out the concealer, we're gonna be using to press in to where we put that concealer. We're not baking today because I ain't got the time to bake today. I'm going to church in a little bit. So actually, I don't know what time it is, so I probably could be supposed to be leaving to go to church now, but I don't know. Jesus, and I'm a high. Sorry. There. Now to set the contour. So you can use multiple things for this. I have a palette that I got from my makeup certification from Glam Lamb Studios, and it is their Divine Dust Professional Cheek, Skin, and Contour palette, and this is all powder. So this is what it looks like, and we're gonna be using this one. But if you have a powder concealer palette, use that. So we're gonna take some. So now we are pretty much done. I'm gonna put on some highlight because y'all know I love me a good highlight, and I'm gonna set my whole face with some setting spray, and we're done. So I'm gonna do that. So I know you see this, guys. Like, damn. Yes. So contouring is so much easier than people try to make it out to be. All you have to do is make sure you're blending. And if you're blending, you really in the wheelhouse. It's all about proper blending. So I really hope this was helpful for you guys. So please let me know so I know what you guys like, what you don't like, what's helpful for you, what's not helpful. If you need more detail about things, just let me know. I'm not sensitive, so you can give me criticism and I'll be like, oh, okay, cool, thanks. I'll keep that in mind. But I really hope it was helpful for you. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe, please. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Also, follow your girl on Instagram and Twitter because I post a lot more videos and more content on there. I post little mini videos, pictorials, all that stuff. So follow me on there so you can stay in the loop. But I really hope this was helpful for you guys again. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.